Hello everyone, I'm Austin Benton. Welcome to the iHub. Today we're going to cover our Large Huddle. That's this room that we're in. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the room, what kind of amenities we have, and then we'll run through the TV, doing remote connection. We have 2 tables in here, which will have about 4 chairs at each, so usually we could fit about 8 people in here. We have whiteboards behind both tables. Those should always have markers stocked in them and erasers. If that's not in here, just let us know and we can get you some. Also, we have this nice little podium right here, and you can roll this around anywhere. Just look at the bottom on the wheels. You'll find these little tabs. You flick them up to unlock, and then you can roll it around and really put it wherever you feel comfortable. And then when you're ready to park it, just knock those down, and really you can just knock one down and lock the wheel, and then it'll stay stationary for you. Next up, we'll cover the TV, and I'll start from the home screen. So really the biggest thing that might be helpful for you all when using this room is remote connecting or sharing your screen to the TV. So to do that, simply you can press the home button on the remote, and then you can navigate to the left and you'll find the source option. You can select that. So if you just go up, you'll see a remote access option. So once you click remote access, this is what you're going to see, and probably the easiest option, especially if you're on Windows, is to click this screen sharing option, and from there you'll see instructions of how to share your screen to the TV using basically what's in your taskbar. It should be pretty easy. You'll see the TV name over here on the right side, and you can make sure and verify that you're connecting to the right TV, because we do have a lot of TVs in the iHubs. Also, we have an option to use Apple AirPlay. If you pull up AirPlay, you should be able to connect to it pretty easily. If you need help with that, just give us a shout and we can come over and help you connect. Yeah, that's basically it for our Large Huddle. If you ever come in here and have any problems, we should always have somebody working at the desk. Just let us know. We can get you all sorted out, get you anything you need. If you need more cords, we can make it happen. So thank you for watching this tutorial video, and have a good one.